Hey everybody, Jeff here. Hey, I wanted to show you some tool deals that just came out today. These are today only at Acme Tools. They just sent me an email about this. So this is a 24-hour end-of-year warehouse sale. I will put a link to this down in the video description below for you. And of course, as you know, folks, anytime we give you links to Amazon or Home Depot, all of these different stores here, those are affiliate links, and so we get paid a couple of % when you buy your tools through our links. And we appreciate when you support our channel that way, folks. It helps us buy more tools to give away for you and more tools to do tool review videos on, and covers all of our production costs. So they've listed a bunch of kits here, and I'm just going to take a quick look at a couple of these to see if they are really worth the price or not. But some of them look like they're pretty good. So for example, here's the multi-tool kit, and it looks like they're only charging $99 for it, which is a pretty decent deal, because if you look at what it's going for over on Home Depot, you can see it was $99 here at Home Depot. However, they are sold out, and this deal has been sold out at Home Depot for some time. The 356 here is normally like $115 or so as a tool only. So to get this whole kit here from Acme, same thing, $99, but at least they have it in stock. But you can see what a decent deal this is, because normally it is $199 for the kit. Now this next kit, just even looking at the kit, I love the whole design of this kit, because you're getting this yellow rapid charger here. This is very rare to get this in a kit, so I enjoy getting these whenever I can. Plus you're getting two 5 amp hour batteries that are normally about $149 each when you buy, if you were to buy them like separately, which I never tell you to do, of course. Now here you've got the Drywall screw gun. Yeah, you've got their new Drywall zip cutter there. That's what cuts around the outlets and stuff. And then of course you have the impact. And so this kit here is $299 for these 3 tools with the rapid charger. And I mean, look, just the 2 batteries alone are worth the price of this kit. So this, I think, is a pretty good price. So this is why I think it's the best deal right now, because look at this. Over at Lowe's, they're selling it at $449 full price. Home Depot doesn't even have it listed. But there you have it right there, folks, in stock at Acme Tools, and it is ready to order. And what a great price. We noticed last year when we bought that DeWalt 3-tool woodworking set, that kit, it was very much like this. And the one thing that Acme always does over Lowe's is they give you the rapid charger, whereas Lowe's gives you just the regular charger. But of course, in this case here, Lowe's did match it and give you the rapid charger. But then look at their price here. Their price is like $150 more. Okay, here's another one. This looks like a great kit also. So this one comes with the rapid charger and a 5 amp hour battery. So the 5 amp hour battery is worth alone $150. This charger is worth about $80. The jigsaw is about $199, and the router is about $199. So let's see, by adding it to the cart, how much it is going to cost us. So let's go check out the cart. And when we check, I'm going to remove this guy for the time being. So $299 for this kit. The deal they gave us last year didn't have the router in it. The deal they gave us last year with that 3-tool woodworking kit. See here, I might as well just show it to you now. So it seems like they made it higher quality. Here's the kit right here. Same price, $299, but you're getting 2 higher priced tools. Now here the jigsaw appears in the current iteration of that 3-tool kit, but then you get the multi-tool and the sander. So you can choose either one of these 2 here. Both of them are $299. They're both similar. They do, but this one here is more for the routing and cutting. This is more for the sanding and finishing, and of course cutting. So choose your poison on those 2. Okay, so as you go through here, check the prices on a lot of these and see if you really are getting a good deal. Like here's the Milwaukee fuel pack out vacuum. So this is down to $179 from $330. I don't think I've ever seen it at $330 anyways. But check it out, see whether you like that price. Some of the items here are not really all that great price, like this one here. I own this tool. This is the power cleaner from DeWalt, the DC PW550B. And when I bought it, when it first came out earlier this year, see, I paid the full $149. They're giving you $10 off. It's not a huge amount, but for those of you that can't find it, like in your local Home Depot, and you just can't get it anywhere, this is the time and place to get it right now, because we really don't ever see it go any lower than this, than $139. So, and at least they have it in stock, whereas many of your local Home Depots don't have it at all. Okay, so just check through the rest of these deals. They have several pages of numerous different kits for you to take a look at here. And these are only good for today until midnight. This is their end of the year warehouse sale. And by the way, this week we've put up a number of videos showing some really good after Christmas specials and deals that are going on. Like these two right here, the one we showed you from Ace Hardware a day ago. And then yesterday we did this live stream right here from Lowe's showing just more and more unbelievable yellow clearance stickers that were being put out on a number of items, even items that were on sale at Black Friday. Now we're seeing some of them 50% off. And in your area, you're likely to see unbelievable, much lower prices on clearance than what we showed you yesterday in our stores, because our region seems to be the last one to really lower them down way below even the 50% off prices. So you saw us buy one of those LED hood mounted lights from Craftsman yesterday for $74 at 50% off, and some people are saying they got them for $37 in their store. So that's the kind of stuff you want to look for. You make sure you absolutely check out this Lowe's video right here, and I'll put you'll see this thumbnail here in the upper left here for you to go and check it out. Definitely do not miss that one out, folks. Okay, so you guys have a great rest of your week. Happy hunting, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.